Kimchi fried rice. Today I opened my fridge and I saw some leftover beef rendang, and also I still have my kimchi, so I decided to make kimchi bokkeumbap, which is kimchi fried rice. I chop all the ingredients into bite-sized pieces to create a better mouthfeel. And to give this an extra spice kick, I cook my local fried pepper, which is Katokkon pepper. And yes, it gets spicier when it cooks, so be careful. After putting all the ingredients into the pan, we're gonna stir them all until everything are cooked through. And finally, we're gonna serve it with runny eggs on top, green onions, sesame seeds, and also don't forget your nori strips. Voila, there you have it. So how do you make your